Hello everyone, I am here today by teaching you a delicious green beans rice or traditionally speaking Loobia Polo. So stay with me through the whole video. First of all, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button right now and press that little bell so that you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Ingredients for preparing green beans rice or Loobia Polo for 6 people. Rice 4 cups. Salt as you need. Turmeric 1 teaspoon. Cinnamon powder 1 teaspoon. Curry powder or rice spice half of a teaspoon. Tomato paste 5 tablespoons. Ginger powder half of a teaspoon. Pepper 1 teaspoon. Saffron 1/4 of a teaspoon. Onion and potato each one number. Meat 300 grams. Green beans 400 grams. First, finely chop the onion. Then I turn on the gas, put the frying pan on it and pour some oil and let the oil heat up. Pour the chopped onion in the hot oil and spread it in a frying pan with a spatula. Let the onion color caramelize. Note that onions do not need to be completely fried. Now it's time to add turmeric. I fry the turmeric and onion a little together. I add the meat and fry it with the mixture until the color of the meat changes. After the color of the meat changes, I add curry powder, cinnamon, pepper, and ginger to the mixture. Then I add the tomato paste to the ingredients and mix it well and let it fry until the tomato paste does not taste raw. Finally, when you mix the ingredients well and it's completely fried, I pour some water on it. Pour enough water, then close it and let it cook on a low flame. In the meantime, I bring the green beans and cut the top and bottom of them. Now I chop the green beans to the size of a knuckle. I turn on the gas and roasting the green beans in a little oil. Do not fry the beans. As long as the green color of the beans become dark, it's enough. I add the beans to the mixture of meat and tomato paste. I add 2 teaspoons of salt to it. If your stew water is low, add some water to it and close it to bake it well with low heat. I grind the saffron. And pour some hot boiling water on it. Then add saffron to the stew and let the stew cook with saffron. I pour 8 cups of water in the 4 cups of rice and put it on the gas. Pour 3 tablespoons of salt into it and leave the lid half open until the rice boils. I remove the foam on the rice with a spoon. When the rice has grown a little and you could crush it by hand, it's enough. I turn off the gas, then pour the rice into a colander and let the excess water come out. I pour some water on the rice to get rid of excess salts. I bring the potato and peel it. Then chop them like sheet. I put a pot on the gas and pour a little oil on the bottom of it. And when the oil is hot, I put the chopped potato on the bottom it. I pour some rice and some stew on it and repeat the same thing. I make a few holes in the rice with a wooden skewer or the bottom of a spoon so that the green bean rice or Loobia Polo cooked very well. At this stage, you can put some melted butter or animal oil on your green bean rice to make it more delicious. Let the green bean rice cook for about 45 minutes. Our green bean rice is ready. You can put it into a dish and enjoy it. It's really delicious. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button right now and press that little bell so that you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Hope to meet you again.